That's the meadow, I think. This is Cody Lake Trail. According to all maps, we're gonna take this trail here, the dirt bike trail.
He blocked the map.
We're actually going to fix this sign. I think the sign goes down here, we're not sure. So I think this is the beginning of that 900-foot climb that everybody's talking about. Forest seems pretty burnt up here. Trail's not that hard, pretty easy. We're seeing mountain bike trail tracks. All right, so this is the first fork, about 330 feet from the truck. Coming up, if you go that way, several miles trail, come up. Cody's this to the right. This is the first fork. New sign. Take a picture real quick. You can see it's a pretty steep hill, not too bad. Everything's burnt down though. A couple years ago. I don't think there's an animal in sight. Okay, so this is a flat area. About halfway in, I think. It is a little steep. Get out of shape, go slow. Out of shape. I'm doing this hike 3 months after a fractured ankle, so it's not that bad. All right, I think we're about halfway towards the trail. This is the view. Not too bad. See a lot of burnt wood. Seems to be a little steep here. Not too bad, but a little steep. Up over this ridge, I do believe is where the lake is at. Okay, it's getting a little steep. A little rocky on the way in. No, not yet. This is too much for her. Far wall of the lake toward the top. A hike, a bit of a hike. I still classify if you're in shape, easy. I'm doing it with a 3-month-old fractured ankle, so it's doable. So this is the end of the trail. Lake's right there. And this trail, there's the lake. Yep, we're here. And it is, yep, it's a mile in from the truck. There's nobody here. I don't think there's any animals out here. Dead quiet. This is the trail Cayman Boy Scouts. I don't know. Yep, there's the cabins. There's the lake. This is the lake. No, I would hope not. Might be Australia or Africa or something. It's quiet. So this is the trail into the camp. It's the Boy Scout 1 troop cabins. They apparently come out here for a couple of weeks during the summer. Have their summer camp out here. A lot of work. A lot of rounds. Nothing under there. Yeah, I think it can work on. Milage. Another YouTuber did some background in his video on these cabins. These are 2 cabins. No, it's just Troop 1. It's not my Boy Scouts. I was with 149. It's a lodge. Oh yeah, so just 1 mile. Wow, cool. Yeah, see, there's their docks. They float in the summertime. Crazy.
So,
I just swore we came over there.
Boy Scouts would like camp here?
Yep, they do every summer.
So they would hike here?
Yep, from where we're at. Well, I think they hiked on this trail over here. This trail is different entrance. I think it's shorter. I think we came the long way. Yeah, so next time we come, we'll go all the way. We'll go on this side of the lake and come across. I remember coming through here. It was shorter, but that way worked. Oh, this is bushes.
I can see like the.
No, in there.
I can
Bushes.
see like the dirt over.
Oh, it might be. Or it could be the root system for the tree. Yeah, there's the 2 cabins. There's a big wall. We have to try to catch up in the drone. You can see how massive that wall is. And here's the little bridge. I think it's a water house right there. That's to the beach. I think this is where they set up their main tents and stuff. Over here. That's the wall. Big wall. There's a trailer that's up there somewhere. And a 3rd cabin. That is Pyramid Peak range out there. We're heading down the hill from Cody Lake. It is 1 mile from where you parked your vehicle. You cannot go any further with your vehicle. It's 1 mile. Yeah, it's careful coming down this way. It's a little slippery. Yep. Let me get you a peek. We're at Cody Lake. We just did the sign that was online. People saying the sign was wrong, and we came up here today and can't find the sign. Somebody burned down the fire that a couple years ago. But the sign is correct. That's the new sign, and it is correct. My Apple Watch says it's a half a mile from here to the lake, and we did that, and it is a half a mile. And now we're heading out. This sign here seems to be a new forestry one. Probably after the fire, but they would do sign.